As you can see from the title, we are getting a ride along in the Porsche Taycan. I'm gonna say Taycan because, you know, like, what's the other one, like Macan or something. So Taycan. We're getting a ride along in it in this crappy weather. I'm here with a couple of my friends and Harper's Porsche, I don't know, Lamborghini. I don't even know what it is, but they're hosting like ride alongs. You could get your name. Like, hold up, quick intermission. We gotta get a full send for the boys. And that's where we're going to do this ride along. So I'm basically just gonna give you all like an overview of the car and what it looks like, and maybe get my reaction of what it's like to drive in, like, what is it, like 700 pounds of torque. I mean, obviously in this rain, it's really gonna test the car in this rain too. I mean, I'm not saying they're gonna full send it or anything, but it's just gonna be a fun experience to ride in a car. I've never rode an electric car either. So, and this is the electric model. I know they have like the gas and they also have the electric. I think the electric is the lower, which is strange, but I'm pretty sure that's right. So that's where we're going now. So oh my gosh, is that the line for the boys? That is a long line. It's got like moving doors. Excuse me. This is crazy.
Good, pretty
How's
good.
it going, man?
Good. Oh, it's like an actual bucket seat back here.
We've got different modes here.
I'm gonna get this.
Yeah, definitely put your seatbelt on.
Wow.
We've got. I'm going to start in sport mode, and then when I put it in sport plus mode is when it makes an engine sound.
Oh wow, really? It makes
sounds like the Jetsons.
Ooh.
Picked a good day for it, didn't I?
Yeah.
How's it grip in the rain though?
You'll see.
Okay. Oh wow.
That's the most impressive part of it, is the all-wheel drive and the traction it's got. And it's a pretty heavy vehicle. It almost weighs 5,000 pounds, but all the weight's down low. So this is without the sound, okay?
Oh my god! What? That is.
What is with the sound?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
That's not all the way to the floor. Now here's what's.
What the? What?
God.
Oh.
It's crazy. I felt like my Audi was fast. I just said not impressed.
No, this kind of blows everything away. I mean, you just get that with electric motor. But what Porsche's done is they've added suspension, brakes. You know, it's not just all about acceleration.
Right.
It's about
more the experience and handling.
Yeah, the whole package, fit and finish.
That sound is crazy. It's so futuristic. Oh my. Dude, that is so
insane.
We're trying to not do it too much because we've got to have a little battery life
Right.
to get everybody in.
Oh my god, that's just insane.
And then you have a range mode.
It's like a little knob.
It's
That's
still
awesome.
showing 187 miles, and we've been
going
how
around
many
it,
people
bunch,
we've
yeah.
been doing it. you know?
I'm sure you've done the pulls every time.
How's the launch in the rain from standstill?
It's,
Oh, I'm so excited. I'm about to video this. Hold on.
there's Popo, so let's see. Just do a little one here, okay?
Okay. Oh my god! What? Dude, we were at 50. Dude, that is crazy.
Oh
That launch is crazy.
It's so fast it hurts.
What's the,
It literally does.
It
pulls
hits
my
you in the
head.
chest.
When that other guy was getting out of the car because it was hurting him, I was
So-
like, oh my god.
How's the charging time on this? I've heard it can go from like,
Well,
15 minutes can
Yeah,
charge it
that's
almost
the
a full.
supercharger, the 800
Okay.
volt.
Mhm.
Beyond impressed.
Sweet. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So much.
Yep, that's awesome. Thanks for coming. Tell your friends.
Dude, that's wild. Dude, you get a launch. Alrighty guys, on that note, I know that was like all cut up and everything, but dude, that was wild. Like, I'm editing now. This is about a week later. And okay guys, so if you made it this far, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video, especially like the little cinematic. I had a little fun making that. I didn't have much clips to actually, put together, but that's what I got because there was so many old people walking around the thing. But yeah, I got that, and just the reaction, dude, it was priceless. I've never been in something with like, I guess that many G's that pulls, well, not G's, I guess that much torque at once. It was something else. So if you get the opportunity to like ride in one, or even, I don't know, any electric car like that, do it. I don't know, it's definitely worth, if you get the opportunity, it's definitely worth it. Of course it is. But on that note, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.